And so, can you share a few marketing strategy tips for our audience here?
The first one in that before category, it all starts with your ideal customer. If your ideal customer is effectively defined, that's where are they, what do they look like, what are their paints, what are their pain points, what are their wishes, wants, and desires. Everything flows off of that particular piece of information. And we have some tools, and that's what we talked about in the webinar, that allow you to define that avatar really, really effectively. When we look at nurturing systems, lead capture systems, you need a CRM. For many people, you need a CRM, but if you don't have a lot, you could do it on an Excel spreadsheet. As long as you have a way to keep track of it, and you have to keep track of who's in your pipeline, and then how am I going to effectively nurture them? And ultimately, when we talk about conversion strategy, it's really about small commitments leading to bigger commitments and offering massive value. We all make buying decisions. We buy stuff every single day. We buy stuff that we want. When it gives us a lot more than the money's worth in our pocket, then we make a decision to buy it. So, just understand that model. And then ultimately, going back to referrals and raving fans, right? Setting up a system where you continue to nurture your customers, converting them into raving fans, and occasionally asking for referrals. You might offer some value. You might say, hey, listen, if you offer a referral, there's the affiliate marketing thing where you might get a fee or something, a percentage of the sale. But then there's the, I've got a new program, I've got a new course, there's a new special something I'm willing to offer to you at no charge for any referral that you provide. So there's a lot of different ways that we can incent our raving fans to give us referrals as long as we stay in touch.